Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini flowers. They are very good for an aperitif, something served before dinner, before you sit down to dinner. We're going to start by getting some sunflower oil. I'm going to use sunflower oil because I like it best because there's no flavor in the oil. I'm going to use enough oil to fill the pan by a couple centimeters so that it will give the flowers enough room to deep fry. While we're waiting for the oil to get hot, we need to clean up the flowers a little. We need to take these little pieces of the flower off, piece of the stem, and we need to check for any guests. See, actually there's one in there. So we need to get him out because this is a vegetarian dish. So we don't need that. And take, there we go. Take that out. So we're going to take 200 grams of flour. I'm going to take about 200 milliliters of beer and whisk it in. To test your oil, to make sure that it's hot enough, just put a drop of water in, and if it crackles and pops like that, it's hot. I dipped the zucchini flour into the batter. Get some of the excess off. So it should fry for about 30 seconds each side, depending on the heat, until it's golden brown. They should only take not even about a minute total if your oil is nice and hot. So when they're slightly browned on both sides, take them out on the flowers are ready to serve. Serve them hot, but don't salt them until they are ready to be served, or they will go soggy. And we were gonna serve these with a little spumante as an aperitif right before dinner.